Hey guys, so today we're going to be showing you how to make a coax cable, a TV cable. Usually this is the one you find behind your cable box or any type of home setup. And it's a very easy cable to make, and I hope you guys enjoy it. What we do first is we get the cable, and you guys are going to be able to see that there is a stopper at the end. So you insert the cable up to that point, close it, you just spin around a few times, and then you pull it out. And the cable is going to be stripped in some, in different parts. Sometimes like this thing, get stuck, and you can just put it right back in. Do that a few more times and then just pull it out, and this is what should happen. You're gonna have about a 1/4 inch of just the bare metal, and then the other 1/4 inch of the ground wire. So then the next step is to get one of these connectors. I'm gonna post all the different names and the links where you can get some of these for yourself. And so what you do is you just push it in. And then this too, you're gonna see that there is a spot where you can actually use to push the cable all the way in. As you can see, there's a little white part inside, so you gotta push it in all the way till that white part reaches the metal. And you gotta make sure that none of the little stranded parts are touching that bare copper, because then that's gonna cause some issues with the connection. And all you need is like just this simple tool, and all you do is you insert the cable like that, and then basically just push this in, and then you just press all the way in, and your cable's ready. Okay, so one last tip. If for some reason you have a cable coming out of your wall, perhaps behind your TV, and you want it to be flush with the wall, what you can do is you can get one of these plates and these connectors, the F connectors. Again, we're gonna post everything in the notes with links to different places you can get these things. So what we do is behind the plate, there's an arrow that says up, and there's the same thing on this connector. You can see it says up right there. So basically what you do is you put the bottom part first, and then you just push the top, and it locks in place. Once you do that, it's completely flush. Then the last step is just to get your connector, put it right in the back, and you just pin it in place. And basically, once you do that until it stops, it's gonna stop by itself. And once it does, you just push the cable inside the wall, and you're gonna be left with that. Screws come included, and you just attach that to the box, and you're all set.